Hello everyone, welcome to this series on literary terms and theories. And in this video, we are going to discuss Aeolic style in poetry. Introduction. Aeolic refers to a distinctive metrical style in Greek poetry derived from the dialect used by poets Alcaeus and Sappho. This style is characterized by the particular arrangement of dactyls and torches, bringing them close together to emphasize the presence of choriamps. This video explores the structure, historical context, and significance of Aeolic meter, supported by examples from ancient Greek poetry. Structure and characteristics of Aeolic meter. Aeolic meter is defined by the interplay of specific metrical feet. Dactyl, a metrical foot with one stressed syllable followed by two unstressed syllables, dum, da. Torchy, a metrical foot with one stressed syllable followed by one unstressed syllable, dum, da. Choriamp, a metrical foot consisting of four syllables in the pattern long, short, short, long, dum, da, dum. In Aeolic meter, these feet are arranged to create a rhythmic and melodic effect that is distinct from other Greek metrical forms. The use of choriamps is particularly notable as they provide a striking rhythmic pattern that sets Aeolic poetry apart. Historical context. Aeolic meter is named after the Aeolic dialect, one of the major ancient Greek dialects. This dialect was prominently used by poets Alcaeus and Sappho, who were active in the 6th and 7th century BCE. Both poets hailed from the island of Lesbos, and their work is characterized by its lyrical quality and personal themes. Sappho, often considered one of the greatest lyric poets of ancient Greece, used Aeolic meter to convey intimate emotions and vivid imagery in her poetry. Her work frequently explores themes of love, desire, and beauty, and the Aeolic meter complements these themes with its flowing and musical quality. Alcaeus, another significant figure in Greek lyric poetry, used Aeolic meter in his political and personal poetry. His work often reflects the turbulent political landscape of his time, and the structured yet flexible nature of Aeolic meter allows for a powerful expression of his ideas. Examples of Aeolic meter in poetry. Sappho's poetry. Sappho's poetry exemplifies the use of Aeolic meter. Her fragmentary works often reveal the intricate patterns of dactyls, torches, and choriamps that define this metrical style. Example: like the sweet apple which reddens upon the topmost bough, atop on the topmost twig, which pluckers forgot somehow, forgot it not, nay, but got it not, for none could get it till now. Alcaeus's poetry. Alcaeus's use of Aeolic meter is evident in his political and personal lyrics. His poetry demonstrates how the rhythmic qualities of Aeolic meter can convey strong emotions and complex ideas. Example: wine, dear child, and truth do I sing, and the close-set locks of thy bright hair, and thy brows like an image of gold. Significance of Aeolic meter. Aeolic meter holds a special place in the history of Greek poetry for several reasons. Musicality. The combination of dactyls, torches, and choriamps creates a musical rhythm that enhances the lyrical quality of the poetry. Emotional depth. The flexibility and complexity of Aeolic meter allows poets to express a wide range of emotions, from the deeply personal to the politically charged. Cultural heritage. As the chosen meter of poets like Sappho and Alcaeus, Aeolic meter represents a significant cultural and literary heritage that has influenced subsequent generations of poets. Conclusion: Aeolic meter, with its distinctive arrangement of dactyls, torches, and choriamps, is a defining feature of the poetry of Sappho and Alcaeus. This metrical style enhances the musicality and emotional depth of their work, making it a significant component of Greek literary tradition. Understanding Aeolic meter provides valuable insight into the craftsmanship of these ancient poets and the enduring impact of their work. So this was the discussion on the term Aeolic style in poetry. We will meet in the next video and discuss some other term. Until then, goodbye and thank you.